Madam Chair,
Is that a point of order?
yes, not really the point of order. I just would like to find out if he is a she or a he because you have been mentioning her.
Point of order, Madam Chair. Let's allow Congressman Marcoleta to proceed.
All right. Honorable Marcoleta is recognized. You may proceed.
Madam Chair, I
Gusto ko
just would
bang-
like to make it clear.
He
Madam
is
Chair,
he. He is he. I stand
Is not
corrected.
in order, Madam Chair, because I just want to make, because you said twice her.
All right.
So I
I'm
would like to
addressing
find out
him.
if she is a she or a he.
Madam
He's
Chair, make a ruling and allow Congressman Marcoleta to proceed.
As a response to
proceed
the
to-
Honorable Abante, we are addressing now Honorable Marcoleta as he, him, his, and the chair therefore stands corrected. You may proceed, Honorable Marcoleta.
Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you for that clarification, Bishop Benny Abante.